Hey guys, today I'm going to help you to create a policy for Microsoft Teams. By default, when we create a team, there is no expiration policies for the team. But today we are going to learn how we can go and create an expiration policy for Microsoft Team. So first thing, now I'm in O365 Admin Center, and if you go to Teams and Groups, under the team and groups, active team and groups, and then you'll able to see I do have certain team groups created, right? So once you have these teams group created, right, there could be a private or a public type of groups, and you also able to see them here under manage team in your team center, right? But we don't have an expiration setting or policies to do that here, right? So to achieve this particular goal, a team can be self-expire along with the project time. So we have to basically go to Azure Active Directory here. So you have to log into a portal called aadportal.azure.com. So this is an Azure Active Directory portal. Under the Azure Active Directory portal, you have to click on Azure Active Directory. Once you click on the Azure Active Directory, then you will able to see the setting related to Azure Active Directory, right? You can see users, groups, external identity, roles, administrator, and other devices, app registrations, app proxies, other kind of settings. What you have to do, you just go to the groups here. In the groups, you can see a particular setting called expiration, right? So if you click here, then you just see this particular option custom, right? And you can choose, right, a particular expiration, right, which basically we don't have enable as of time. You can see it's none. So you have an option. You can choose 180 days, you can choose 365 days, or if you want to do your own 60 days kind of stuff, you just need to delete this value and you can provide a value. The minimum value would be 30 days, right? Maximum is based on you. Then you have to specify the email contact of a group uh, with no owners, right? So you can specify that. So by default, this person will be responsible uh, for the teams where there's no owner assigned to the team. And by default, this policy is set to none. What we have to do, we have to click on here selected, and after that you just click on this, and then you can see the team groups here, and let me choose sales. Okay, and then you just click on select. Once you selected, this 60 days custom life group lifetime policy is applied on this, and you just select this and you save this, right? And now this group will automatically expire, right, in 60 days. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest videos. Thank you for watching.